Hi guys, this is Mansoor. This tutorial will show you a simpler way of entering your merchant account information than what's stated in step 2 of your read me instructions page. Their process says to go to your desktop and open up the $1.39 mini membership site folder, then open the index.htm folder, and from there use Windows Notepad or WordPad to edit your merchant account information. But there is an easier way to do this. By the way, if you don't already have a PayPal account or an AlertPay account, then now would be a good time to get one. You cannot collect your $1.39 payments unless you have set up those accounts. You can go back to the step 1 tutorial for instructions, or go to your congratulations page and simply click the PayPal and AlertPay banners. I will also put the PayPal and AlertPay links in the description section for this video. So let's take a look at the index.htm folder in your HostGator file manager. Once you have extracted or opened up your zip file, you should see all your folders that came in your $1.39 mini membership site zip file. Now let's highlight the index.html directory by clicking on it. Next, click on the HTML editor icon from the top menu selection. And then the next thing you want to do is come down and then click the edit button. This should bring you to the design editor of your mini membership site. You do not want to make changes to this design and content of your site unless you are experienced in this area. So just go to the bottom of the page and click where it says source. This will give you access to your source codes. All right. Now this is where you're going to add your email address and your URL to the PayPal and AlertPay HTML codes. I know you're saying, man, that's a lot of work, but trust me, it's a piece of cake, because I'm going to show you a way anyone can do this without being a website programmer and manually searching through lines and lines of code. Basically, you're going to search for 3 codes and just replace with your merchant account information. That's it. Now, the 3 codes are your email, the @symbol.com, which should be the same email address you are using for your PayPal and AlertPay account. The next code is yours %20 email in the @.com. Now this should be the email address where your signups can contact you if necessary. And the last code is yoursite.com. This is the domain name you created at namecheap.com. Okay, now you're ready to add your merchant account information. You can do this by clicking on the binoculars icon and use the find and replace feature. Okay, now this is the find and replace feature. This is a little pop-up box. And this is going to save you an hour or more of time. Simply enter one of the codes that I've just given you and then search and replace with the correct merchant information. Just find and replace until you come to the finish searching the document message. Now to enter your other merchant account information, just repeat the find and replace step. Now let me do a partial walkthrough to get you going in the right direction. So in this case, since I've already entered and corrected this information, I'm going to show you just how to do the find and replace feature. So I will put my website address in there. All right. You'll come down and click find next. Also, make sure you start at the beginning, at the top of the page up here where all the codes begin, and then come down, because the system is going to crawl down through and begin crawling wherever you position your cursor at. Okay, as you can see here, it says easy way is highlighted, easiestwaytomakemoney.biz. Now in this case here, you would put your email or your site information, and that's what it would say right here, find this, and then you will replace it with your email or website information. So you will do the replace button, and once you do that, this information would change that's in here, and then you would just go on after you do that, press find next, and then you would hit the replace, then find next, and then hit the replace, and then you would keep doing this. Just repeat this step until you come here. It's going to say finish searching the document. Okay. So once you completed adding your merchant account information, you want to go to the bottom of the editor and click where it says design right here. Then you want to go to the top of your editor and click on the disk icon and save your work, and that's right here. See this disk icon. So you don't want to make the mistake and click this X. Now you will cancel everything, so you don't want to do all that. You'll cancel all your work. So make sure you go right here and click that icon. Now you have just now, once you've done that, you have just now completed setting up your mini membership site. As a reminder, you don't want to forget to save your work, because all the work you just did will now be saved in your site, and it will not function properly, and you will not receive your payments. So make sure you do that after you update and add your merchant account information. Now I would like to tell you, congratulations, your site should now be on the internet and ready to receive a ton of $1.39 payments. Now, if for any reason your site is not functioning properly, be sure to go back over everything you have learned in these 3 tutorials, or contact the live chat support for further assistance. They're very good at that, helping you to see what the problem is going on with your code. What did you do right there in the file manager? It might also be a good idea to go ahead and make a purchase from your site, just to see if your mini membership site is functioning properly. You can have a friend or a family member make a purchase on your automated site. This will give you a chance to test it out first, so you know your payments are being received at your PayPal and Alert Pay accounts. Now, for those of you who are technically challenged and still feel this is too much for you to put up your $1.39 mini membership site, then please contact me and I will create it for you. But it would be for a one-time payment of $15, or if you would like for me to walk you through the process, then that would be a one-time payment of $18. Now, this is a 30-minute Skype computer share session, so I'm able to see everything that you're doing on your computer, and basically I'll just be telling you over the phone or whatever to click this, click that, or what to do. And either way it goes, you want to make sure you have signed up for your Namecheap domain name and HostGator, web host, and also your PayPal and Alert Pay accounts first before you contact me. Also, if you're using a domain name and web host service other than the ones I have recommended, then I will advise you to ask those service providers for assistance, since they are familiar with their own program. Also here, if you're interested in learning how to effectively build a massive list and generate traffic quickly, then be sure to sign up here for the Are You a Leader program by clicking the banner on the congratulations page. So that was the page that you came to when you first came into the program. So you'll want to scroll down here to the bottom and just click on that banner. That's only if you want to learn how to build a massive list and generate traffic quickly. So that's not mandatory, it's not required. This is just another program here for you if you're looking at furthering your home-based business opportunity. Plus, remember to read and review all the instructions given. And now, once again, congratulations. Thank you for watching this video, and I trust this will save you some time in completing your $39 mini membership site setup. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a comment. I wish you much success with your automated website, and God bless.